A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope that you have enjoyed the auspicious 8 days. Dear brothers and sisters, today we will talk about the two paths or two highways which has been identified in Quran. وَهَدَيْنَاهُ النَّجْدَيْنِ. Now for this highway or this pathway, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has identified some behaviors or characteristics which defines the traits of those who are on the straight path or the traits of those who are on the straight path. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us two pathways or two highways. One is the good, one is the bad, as we have already discussed this in the Quran learning series episodes. Allah Ta'ala has created several characteristics to identify or to define these pathways. Now for those who are on straight path, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us several characteristics, but these four are very common and very normally used in Al-Quran. Number one is mu'min, number two muttaqi, number three salih, and number four muhsin. These are the four characteristics for those who are on the straight path. Thus, on another hand, those who are strayed from a straight path, who went astray, who are strayed, there you will find several definitions, but among those the most common four ones are the kafir, munafiq, fasiq, and kazib. Now these four characteristics of those who are on the right path and these four characteristics of those who are on the wrong path or on the straight path, these characteristics or these words have their own meaning. For example, for fasiq, mostly in some of the translations, the word sinner has been translated for the fasiq, which is not its meaning. Yes, fisq will be a sin, is a sin. Doing munafiqat is a sin. You cannot take only this as a sin where the original meaning will not be defined. Now if we look into the first part of those who are on the straight path, the mu'min, muttaqi, salih, and muhsin, since in this video we are not talking about the details of all those, inshallah that will come within next two very shorter clips, as I have to divide this into parts to make it easy and comprehensive. So in short definition of these words, mu'min is a believer, a certain. Mu'min is believer, certain and sure. Muttaqi is a self-guarding, Allah-fearing. Salih means doing things right only. Those who do perform the right things only. And muhsin, he performs good deeds. He goes for extra miles. Now on the same way we have to talk about the second group of the people who are strayed from the straight path. Kafir means a rejecter, a denier, a refusing. A munafiq is a hypocrite, opportunist, meaning those who shows their alliance with the believers as well as non-believers. Fasiq, this one is a bit important, as normally we find the word sinner for this in the different translations. But fasiq is the one who is taking a liberty of the rules of Allah. Liberty of the rules, law, sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Liberty, liberal, they are free. They take freedom. They do not feel themselves tied up within the religious boundaries. So if you remember a verse about the fasiq, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, when a fasiq comes with a news to you, you see here the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are amazing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, if a fasiq comes to you with a news, do a research upon that news, upon that hearsay which is coming from a fasiq. So now this means that we know fasiq, but knowing the munafiq is difficult. They are hidden, and the fasiq that we know that they are free, they are not tied up to the religion. The fasiq and hypocrite are different characteristics. They show one quality, The kafir, he is totally rejecting. The hypocrite, he is going here and there, both sides. He is an opportunist. The fasiq, he is not bounding himself, he is taking liberty. The last one is the kazib, the liars and liars. The liars, as the book has shown, they are tying lies upon the Quran, and also they are liars in the common life. So both type of lying has been mentioned in Quran. Now, characteristics. Now let us see these characteristics from the corporate terminology point of view. Now, for example, take a corporate an organization where there is HR, there is CEO, there are finance, there are different departments, sales and distribution, there is the several other departments, administration, finance, warehouse, everything. Now, for example, if human resources or HR has sent a new rules and regulation for the employees, you will find few people within the organization who will believe whatever HR said, and you will find among the employees the people who will be guarding themselves against, and salih will be those who will be performing as per the guidelines sent to them every day. Every new guideline, they adhere to it. And Muhsin is someone who will go extra mile. He will do other jobs also, and apart from his job, he will have some extra deeds or extra activities along with the right things, along with the salih things. Now, if we look into the second category of people strayed from the straight path, the kafir, munafiq, fasiq and kazib. The kafir is a rejecter who will reject. If we take this also to the corporate terminology, the kafir is rejecter. He will say, no, I reject. So the organization normally terminate them. They will not keep such people. The hypocrites who will show this to the HR that yes, they are right, but to the employees, they say, no, you see these HR people, they are just kidding us, they are just they are just playing with us, they are just doing the things against us, and they will be. Now, the third category, fasiq. Now, in the organizations, there are very dangerous people, fasiq. They are taking liberty. If, for example, you tell him a new punch machine is there for attendance, they will not punch it. They'll just see the result on the month end, whether HR is taking action, they are counting the people or not. If some months pass, they see that the HR is not serious about that punch machine, they will make others also fasiq with him. Kazib, the liars who will be lying in the organizations also, they are the liars. That is a very clear definition, and inshallah is for everyone. So, in the inshallah within the next chapters, we will talk about the details of these behaviors. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Muhammad Kamil. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.